Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Reader to read PDF files. First, locate your desired PDF document on your computer and double-click it to open. Once open, you can easily navigate through the content. Use the handy page thumbnails on the left side to jump to specific sections, or utilize the bookmarks panel for quick access to key topics. You can also adjust the zoom to 100% or more for optimal viewing. Navigating your PDF is straightforward. You can scroll through pages using your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right. For different viewing preferences, select Fit Page to see the entire page at once, or choose Actual Size for a one-to-one representation. If you need to find something specific, use the search bar, typically found at the top right, to quickly locate any word or phrase within the document. Adobe Reader offers several tools to enhance your reading experience. You can highlight important text by selecting the highlighter tool and dragging it over the desired content. To add personal notes or questions, use the sticky note tool. Simply click where you want the note to appear and type your thoughts. For scanned documents that might be sideways, easily rotate pages to a comfortable viewing orientation. Adobe Reader also includes helpful accessibility features. The Read Out Loud function can narrate the document's text, which is great for multitasking or visual impairment. You can customize display settings, such as adjusting the contrast or changing the background color, to suit your visual preferences. For reading on smaller screens, enable the Reflow view to optimize text layout, making it much easier to follow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.